Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI engine designed to simplify creative workflows and empower users to produce high-quality visual content quickly. As a cutting-edge tool, Firefly helps users generate images, design elements, and even text effects through intuitive prompts and natural language instructions. Rather than needing extensive technical skills or complex software knowledge, creators can describe what they want, such as an image of a city skyline at sunset or stylized text, and Firefly produces the result in seconds. One of Firefly's standout features is that it's trained on Adobe's large library of licensed content, ensuring that the outputs are safe for commercial use. This focus on copyright compliance distinguishes Firefly from other AI image generators, making it ideal for professionals and businesses. Firefly is directly integrated into popular Adobe applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express, streamlining the workflow by allowing users to generate, edit, and modify assets without leaving their design environment. Firefly supports a range of creative tasks. Users can generate backgrounds, modify images with text prompts, create digital art, develop custom templates, and produce unique effects. For instance, with generative fill, users simply select a part of an image and describe what should appear there. Firefly analyzes context and generates a fitting addition with realistic detail. Its AI-driven style variations make it easy to experiment creatively, allowing even novices to achieve professional-grade results. As generative AI becomes more prevalent in creative industries, Adobe Firefly stands out for its ease of use, depth of features, and ethical focus. Whether you're a solo creator or a design team, Firefly speeds up your process and expands your creative possibilities, all while maintaining quality and compliance.